pretties, Miss Sailing here with your science space lesson for today. We are wrapping up space this week. We are going to do our solar system today and learn about our solar system, and then we are going to do stars on Wednesday and finish up with stars. Hopefully you've been following along, whether you're just watching the videos and or doing your space book. We are adding to our space book today. We did the sun. We started off with the sun, and then we did the moon, and then we did the earth, and now we are doing our solar system. So we are going to watch a brain pop video on the solar system. Remember to keep some facts in your pockets because you're going to be doing a fact on the solar system in your space book. And then I will give you some other activities that you can do if you want as well. So, I'm going to turn you over here. Brain pop. Remember, you can do this on your own if you have your own account, and then you can take the quiz, or you can just watch it here with us.
What's up, Moby? You're building your own space shuttle? You want to explore our solar system. What is in our solar system? The solar system is the sun and the group of planets and bodies that orbit it. The sun is the center of our solar system. Planets and other bodies, like comets and asteroids, orbit or go around the sun. What is the sun? The sun is a star. A star is a body of hot gases that makes its own light and heat. The center of the sun is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's too hot for anything on Earth to survive. The sun is really big. You could fit over 100 Earths across the sun. But the sun is just a medium-sized star. There are even bigger stars and other bodies out there. Even though the sun is millions of miles away, it's still the closest star to the Earth. The sun gives light and heat to our planet, and living things need the sun's energy to survive. What's in the inner solar system? There are 4 planets in the inner solar system. They're mostly rocky and have craters. Some even have ridges and volcanoes. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun, and it rotates or spins around very slowly. The side that faces the sun gets really hot, and the side that faces away gets really cold. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It has clouds that trap in a lot of heat. Venus is actually the hottest of all the planets. Earth is the planet we live on. We call it the blue planet because there's so much water. Earth is the perfect distance from the sun for plants and animals to survive. Earth has 1 moon, and it orbits our planet. Mars is called the red planet because it has reddish rocks. Scientists think there might have been an ocean on Mars. No, Moby, scientists haven't found any Martians. Yet. What's in the outer solar system? The planets and bodies in the outer solar system are colder because they're farther from the sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called gas giants because they're large and mostly made of gases. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. There's a gigantic, powerful storm there called the Great Red Spot. The storm has lasted over 300 years. Saturn is the second largest planet. It's easy to recognize because of all the rings. The rings are made of ice, rock, and dust. Uranus is a gassy planet that has thin rings. Most planets spin kind of like a top, but Uranus spins on its side, like a rolling ball. Neptune also has thin rings, and there's a big storm called the Great Dark Spot, kind of like the storm on Jupiter. Good question. Is Pluto a planet? For a long time, Pluto was considered the 9th planet of our solar system, but Pluto is much smaller than the other planets. And its orbit around the Sun is different from the other planets' orbits. So, Pluto is now considered a dwarf planet, which is different from a planet. How is your space shuttle coming along, Moby? I don't think that'll make it to space.
All right. So there you have it. Some facts on our solar system. Now, remember, our solar system has a lot going on in it. If you put a couple facts in your pocket, I would like you to pull those out and do your page on our solar system. Remember, our solar system is our solar system. There's other solar systems out there in outer space, but we're talking about our solar system, that the planets that they mentioned that orbit, so that means they go around the sun, and you can kind of see, I started drawing mine. I just Googled our solar system and found some really cool pictures to help me draw my picture, but I have the sun in the middle because all of the planets orbit the sun. They go around the sun, following their path, okay? And they stay on their path. They don't cross paths with another planet. But yes, they orbit around the sun. The closer they are to the sun, obviously the hotter the planet, the warmer it is. Earth's just perfect, it's like right in the middle. Not too hot and not too cold like the gas giants that are in the outer solar system. So they talked about the inner solar system planets and then the outer solar system planets. But I didn't finish all of the planets. I just got the 4 done. And then I stopped there and I can finish later. But like I said, I Googled our solar system and I got some really cool pictures, which kind of gave me my idea for my picture. And then my fact, you can start off with our solar system and then has planets that are so many planets that orbit the sun. Or maybe you don't want to start off with our solar system, you want to start off with Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, but come up with your own fact and state it here, and then don't forget to label your page 4, we're on page 4, and then don't forget cups. So, I would like you to do your page, our solar system page in our space book. A fun little way to remember the order of the planets is a fun little saying. Like they said, there's actually 2 different sayings. There's one for Pluto. Pluto is considered a dwarf planet. And there's one without Pluto. So, my very energetic mother just served us nachos. And that ends with Neptune. Okay, so my very energetic mother just served us nachos. That is the order of the planets. So you take my, and my starts with an M, so you have Mercury. Very starts with a V, so you have Venus. My very energetic starts with E, so you have Earth. Mother starts with M, you have Mars. So you have 2 M's, you just have to remember which one comes first. My very energetic mother just starts with a J, Jupiter. Served starts with an S, Saturn. Us starts with a U, Uranus. And just served us nachos starts with an N, Neptune. Okay, so that is the order without Pluto. Then if you add in the dwarf planet Pluto, it would be my very energetic mother just served us 9 pizzas. 9 being Neptune, because it starts with an N, and pizzas being P, starts with a P, so it would be Pluto. So, my very energetic mother just served us nachos. That is without Pluto, or my very energetic mother just served us 9 pizzas would be with Pluto. So, a fun little riddle to help you remember the order of the planets going away from the sun. So, you start closest and going away to the outer solar system, the gas giants. So, have fun with it. Then also I wanted to let you know that there are some fun songs on YouTube. There's a fun solar system song on YouTube that you can check out. If you just type in on YouTube solar system song for kids, it'll pop up and it's a fun one. There's also a Storybots on YouTube. If you type in Storybots solar system or our solar system Storybots, that's like a 15-minute video on our solar system and Earth and the moon and the sun and all of that. That's another fun one on YouTube. And you also have, if you have Netflix, on Netflix, they have all of the Magic School Bus videos and series. And if you type in Lost in Space, the Magic School Bus has a great, it's about 30 minutes long, a great video on space and being lost in outer space, and it talks about our solar system and the sun and the moon, and that's another great follow-up video. If it's a rainy day or it's too windy to go outside or you just need to chill for a second and have a snack, that's a great video to watch. So Magic School Bus, Lost in Space. Or Storybots solar system on YouTube, or the solar system song on YouTube. So those are a few other videos you can check out on your own about the solar system and about space. And then come Wednesday, we'll wrap it up with stars and talking about stars. Don't forget that tonight, if you go out when it's obviously dark out, so probably around 9 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, there's going to be a meteor shower. So May 4th, we're supposed to have a meteor shower tonight. So fingers crossed those clouds move out of the way and we get a clear sky tonight. They say that you can see close to 30 plus meteors per hour. So that is pretty cool. So check that out tonight and tell me what you think about it tomorrow. So hopefully you get to check that out. But that is it for today. Have a great Monday, and I will see your smiling faces tomorrow. Bye, Smarties.